I want to big up the selector around the lovers' choice. I go and go down. All right. I want to hear, say, under our next People's National Party government, every Jamaican are going to be smaddy in this country. I want to be no second-class citizen. Right? All right. So, comrades, we have in the People's National Party a vice president who has been championing the cause of our Jamaicans. So labor right can't trick we until we say economy a grow and we see say time hard same way. We have in the People's National Party the next member of parliament for Western Westmoreland, the big man himself, our very own comrade Ian Hayles. Let us hear it for him.
The river in me, in touch the river. And the river
Both choice.
in touch the river in me. And the river's breathing. It's gonna save me. Then it
Party leader and next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golden. My General Secretary and brother and friend, Comrade Dayton Campbell. Comrade candidates and next member of Parliament for the Parish of St. James. Comrade colleagues and friends, and to you, the workers and warriors of this great and noble movement, the People's National Party. Good night to you. So, I speak on water, but the General Secretary said to me tonight, sir, I must prosecute a case. I'm not a lawyer, but I'm a village lawyer. I want you to follow me. So the government speaks about prosperity for 10 years. And I'm going to show you a case tonight, whereas there not been one prosperity for you, the people of Jamaica, land we love. So party leader, they said the birth rate is down. Shamila, want you draw for the M family for me? Draw for the M family, the baby milk. The M family in 2016 under prosperity, when it started, was $1,500. Today in 2025, $2,765 for prosperity and family milk. Lactogen 1, see that, sir? In 2016, it was $1,250. In 2025, under prosperity, it is $2,582.90. Party leader, hug his diaper. Hug his to hug them liquor one there. Hug his diaper in 2016 when they took over was $1,600. It is now $3,360 for hug his diaper. And comrades, for those of you who have a loved one at home who wear the adult diaper, for those of you who have a loved one at home who wears the adult diaper that is sick, in 2016, the adult diaper was for $1,700. In 2025, under prosperity, the same diaper is for $3,800. A regular box food, a regular lunch where you eat, right, was for $800 in 2016. That same box food is for now $1,600. A patty, a beef patty, was for $200 in 2016. The same patty under prosperity now costs $300. Lord, Jesus, hold on. $400 for a beef patty. A quaker bread in 2016, at the start of this great prosperity, was $90. Today, that quaker bread is $220. And comrades, if you can't afford none of that, you turn to the noodle soup every day. The noodle soup in 2016 was for $50. Today it is for $200 under prosperity. At $300, prosperity done with in this country. Prosperity done with in this country. Comrades, and if you can't afford the lunch and headache hold you, you're going to run for your Panadol. Looking at the box there, if you see the Panadol. If you can't buy lunch under prosperity and hungry hold you, you're going to have to buy the Panadol. In 2016, 2 Panadol cost $65. In $150 now for 2 Panadol. And if you don't like Panadol, Comrade Andrea, and you like Cetamol. The price of Cetamol in 2016 was $48. Today, it is $110 for Cetamol. And if that didn't work, at 200, if that didn't work, pressure pill. No, pressure pill. I want you to hear me now. Pressure pill in 2016 cost $50, party leader. Now the same pressure pill costs $100 for 1 pill. If you multiply that by the entire month, you're paying $3,100 for 1 month supply of pressure pill under prosperity. Diabetes, it's sweet, but it's not sweet, yes, sir. Diabetes in 2016 was $27. In 2025, under prosperity, the same pill costs $70 for your diabetic pill. Now, comrades, I want you to follow me here now. I want flag green to step. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. An iron fork. An iron fork. An iron fork in 2016 was for $1,200. Under prosperity, the same iron fork is for $6,700 for 1 iron fork. Spade. A spade in 2016 was for $900. Was for $900. In 2025, the same spade costs $4,900 for a spade.
Check 2.
And I want you to hear me when I mention this one now. I want you to hear me when I mention this one. A lot of you have board house. A lot of you have board house. I grew up in a board house myself. A siding board. A siding board. A siding board. A siding board in 2016. $1,450. Under prosperity, the same piece of board for put on your house is $3,700 a sheet under prosperity. A building block. Everybody know what a building block is, right? See it over here, so. A building block in 2016 cost $80. A building block under prosperity now costs $180. You can't build nothing under prosperity. $200. Comrades, party leader, after talking to the General Secretary this week, I put out on IG and on Facebook and Instagram. Party leader, I asked everybody to tell me what they want me to put in the basket. And the ladies did respond. And some of the things where the man them respond, me couldn't put in the basket. And some of the things where the lady them respond, me couldn't put in the basket either. But I go and get to nails. You know nails where you clip on, right? Party leader. The woman them of this country is suffering. They must suffer. And the men of this country are suffering also. Party leader. In 2016, a set of nails. A set of nails, medium nails, cost $3,500 for a set of nails. Under prosperity, the ladies in this country are now paying $8,500 for the same set of nails under prosperity. Now, comrades, the next message I got from the ladies, Comrade Nikisha, where are you? They said eyelashes. They said eyelashes extension. Now, me don't know nothing about them or something I know. And when me ask you to tell me in terms of what you want me to put on the list. So eyelash extension in 2016 was for $4,000. Under the Jamaica Labour Party Prosperity Plan, the women of this country is now paying $12,000 for eyelashes. And Comrade Johnny's, I want to get to the hair extension. But I want you to play a tune for me first. Play something. I want to get to the hair extension. So, if you wear it and you buy it, it is yours. You're born with it. If you wear it and you buy it, it is yours. You're born with it. In 2016, the synthetic 24-inch extension here cost $8,000. In 2025 under prosperity, it is now cost $25,000 for the synthetic hair extension. Now I'm going to the human hair next. Me not finish yet. Put on that. Hold it up. Me not finish yet. Me not touch the human one yet. Because I know All the PNP ladies, it's only human here that you wear. Bop, 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 bop.
Really get nice. Turn up the thing. PNP. Turn up the thing. PNP. Turn up the thing. PNP.
So, I like to feel human here, you know. So I'm going to say this now. In 2016, the human here cost $15,000 for a pack of 24-inch here. Under the Labour Party, that is asking all the women in this country to give them another term. It is now $60,000 for the human here 24-inch extension. So, comrades, I started off by saying to you, I am not an attorney. I am not an attorney. Or the cylinder gas, that you want here. A 20-pound cylinder gas. A lot of you, if you not use wood fire, you buy a 20-pound and coal, you buy a 20-pound cylinder gas. In 2016, the 20-pound cylinder gas, see it here? See it here? Let me put it around here so you see. This year cost $2,200 in 2016. Under prosperity, if you not use coal, if you not use wood, this 20-pound cylinder gas is now for $325. It's not, well, I've been not talk yet. Lord have mercy. Fire there must steal him, think a cold breeze, Lord. Under prosperity, this 25-pound cylinder gas is now for $4,000 under prosperity. Comrades, 5,000, 5,500. Leader, you have to hurry up, come take over as Prime Minister of this country. Time come. Time come for the People's National Party. Comrades, I will close tonight. And I say that the ordinary Jamaican under prosperity, there is no prosperity. The gap between the have and the have-nots have gotten no wider. You don't see no prosperity because you can't hold it to eat it. You can't hold prosperity to do anything with it because you have not